Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my video. So in this video, I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. I'm going to be mixing clove and rice together, guys. So I'll be making use of 2 spoons like this, while I will also add clove. So this is where I normally store my clove. I'll be making use of 1 spoon of clove too. So that's it. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing now, I am going to wash the rice before adding it inside my pot, inside the pot, okay? So guys, this is it. So I'm going to rest it inside this water now. So I'm not going to cook it for a long time. I want to parboil it for like 1 minute, okay? Because it is the water that I need, okay? So I make my rice water and clove, okay? So this is it. I'll leave it to boil a bit, okay? So stay tuned. We are leaving it for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my gas now. If you don't want to parboil it, you can soak it overnight, so you will still get a better result. I will also show you guys that one day. I'll make a video of that one if you don't feel like to boil it like this, so you can soak it overnight. Maybe I'll make the video next, okay? My next video might be that one, okay? Let's first try this, okay? So I want to blend everything now together, okay? Because it's the water that I want. I want to blend. I didn't add any other things to it too. So I want to blend, but it's hot. It's hot a bit. So that's enough. So that's it. So guys, if you want to grow your hair, follow my page. You are going to be seeing everything that I'm using, okay? So you have to sieve it out because those shaft, you need to remove them because there's a lot of rice inside, you know. So we don't need those one inside. So we are going to throw it away, okay? So this is it. So you can use this 3 times a week. I think this one now will last me up to 3 days, okay? 2 to 3 days. Let's say 3 days, okay? So this is it. So you have to use it 3 times a week. That's when you now get a better result. All right, so let's apply it. We are having rice and clove here, okay? So let's apply it. So guys, I am done applying it. So I am going to use this bag now to cover it to sit for like 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so this is how I do it. So this is it. I'll leave it for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so you will raise this one out. After resting it out, so you are free to apply any homemade leave-in conditioner you are using, hair cream that you are using, anyone. You know, as for me, I normally apply my homemade oil. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.